Right, this is the second way to do level 3, but I'm still going to recommend that you do a lot of things that we did in the box way. We're gonna write each formula again, and when we have the parentheses, we're still going to write it out like this so that we can see our groups. We'll list our elements and our polyatomic ions and take an inventory. So first we have one SR on each side. We have a group of CO3 on each side. We have one reactant NO3 group, and we have two product NO3 groups. And then we have a K as a reactant and two Ks in the products. So when I look at my numbers, I know I need to work on these, the NO3 and the K. So we'll go to the side where we only have one. I'm going to put a 2 there, which gets distributed to both. So now I have two groups of NO3 and two Ks. And just that one coefficient made everything balanced. So I've got 1, 2, 1, 1. Alright, we're going to do the second example now. And we're going to branch out our parenthesis polyatomic ions. We're going to also circle this OH, and then we're going to circle our groups of CO3 because they don't change from one side to the other. List all of our elements and do an inventory. So I've got 2 and 1. I've got 1 and 1, 1 and 1, and my OH groups I have 2 and 1. So it looks like I need to work on Na and OH to make them even. I know I need a 2 in front of NaOH in order to balance that out. And I not only distribute to the Na, but also to the OH, which means I now have two groups of OH, and everything is balanced with a 1, 1, 2, 1. In the third example, I've got this product that needs branches. I'm going to go ahead and circle my branches, my groups. That is a K. It doesn't look like it, but it's a K. And we'll list, oops, I missed an L here. We got AL. PO4 isn't in parentheses, but I see that it stays together as a group. I got one AL on each side, a group of PO4 on each side. I've got one K as a reactant, but 3 as a product. And then I've got one K, or one NO2 group, and 3 of them on the product side. So K and NO2 are what I need to work on. I'm going to try a 3 here, which gets distributed to the entire formula, making 3 Ks and 3 groups of NO2, and that is enough to make everything balanced. So I got 1, 3, 1, 1. And our final example for level 3, we've got our two reactants and our first product actually only needs 2 branches. We're going to circle our groups of NO3. In this one we have our NH4s, which, so I'll do the branch the other way. circle all my groups. I got SO4 on both sides. I have NH4 on both sides and NO3 on both sides. So we'll do our inventory, keeping our groups together. Fe, 1 on each. SO4, 1 on each. NH4, reactant I have 1, product I have 2. NO3, reactant I have 1, and product I have 2, which means I need to work on NH4 and NO3. I go to the side where I only have 1, put a 2 there, updates both of those to 2, and this is balanced with 1, 2, 1, 1.